Like and subscribe, and ring the bell to join us for more adventures. The sun shines brightly during Timo's walk along a quiet trail. The day grows warmer as the sun rises higher in the sky. Soon the heat makes the journey feel harder and more tiring. An important word becomes useful. Ameliorate. Ameliorate means making a difficult situation better. Timo finds a large shady tree and rests beneath its wide branches. He takes a slow drink of cool water from his bottle, enjoying the cool refreshment after the long hot walk. The cool shade and refreshing water help him feel calmer and more comfortable. After resting for a moment, Timo stands up and continues walking along the trail. Timo remembers that when he ameliorates a situation, it means making something difficult better, and small changes can help improve the journey ahead.
For more cartoon stories and advanced English vocabulary, and to build the skills you need for exam success, visit vocabcartoons.com. Cartoons, quizzes, and games that help you learn fast. Start free.